What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Being Linda. So today is just going to be a simple quick video on how I glued down my lace wig. A lot of people have been asking me to do more hair videos, so here's another one. Before I actually glued down my wig, I actually just put it on and tried it on for a little bit just to see what it's going to look like ahead of time. Recently, I bought this lace bond glue, mostly because I ran out of the ghost bond that I usually buy, and I did not want to order from Amazon because it would take 2 days to get here, and I wanted to do my hair now. So I went to a beauty supply store and I just picked the one up. I think it was $6.99. I do like that it's clear because the ghost bond that I used before, it came out white, and then I would have to wait, for it to actually look a little clear, because at first when I did it, I did not let it dry a little bit. That's where I got it messed up with the ghost bond, but I know how to do it now. But this one, you don't have to wait too long. It kind of starts drying as soon as you put it on. I wait like about 30 seconds or less before I actually put the lace on top of it, and I lay it right in front of my edges because you don't want your edges to get caught up in it. And I also brush my edges in the beginning too, so make sure you do that.